if they're doing 3 times f, they won't write 3 times f. They'll write 3f. They'll write it together.
What does f mean?
F could be anything, any letter. But now,
10?
yeah, it could be 10. If f is 10, what does 3f equal to? What's the value?
The value is 3 times 10.
Which is?
3f.
What's 3 times 10?
3 times 10 is 30.
Yes, 30. So the answer is 30. Was that so difficult?
No.
Let's use another example. If we have
D.
D, so what if I do 5D? What does this mean? Come in. You want to watch me?
No.
What are you going to do? Okay. So, what does 5D mean?
I mean D. What does D mean?
Well, D could be anything. But just without, forget what D equals to, what does 5D actually mean?
5 unknown.
5 unknowns. Well done. Or in other words, in mathematics, we say 5 times
D.
D. Well done. So this 5 times D is the same as this. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what if I told you D equals to 2? What if I said D equals to 2? So, what does 5D equal to?
10.
10. Well done. That's not that hard, is it?
Nope.
So this is something very, very important in maths that you need to understand, especially in algebra, is that in mathematics we use letters. And you need to understand that we use letters. And you need to understand how we... Look, concentrate with me. Forget taking notes. In my class, we don't take notes. We only understand, okay?
Oh.
Only if I want you to do some working out, if I want you to work out something, I'll tell you to take notes.
Right.
Now, what this main lesson is about is how do mathematicians use letter notation in their working out, okay? How do we represent letters? How do we... For example, if I wanted to say 4x, no, if I wanted to say 4 times x, sorry. If I wanted to say 4 times x, what's another way of writing that?
4x.
4x. Very well done. Okay. Let's use some more examples, because obviously I know you're a bit...
Smart on the head.
No, you are smart, but I wanna make sure that this is very, very well understood.
For year 7.
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna give you a question. Now by the way, he has never seen this stuff before. We've just learnt it now in the last couple minutes. How long we've been recording? What?
11.
13 minutes?
11.
11 minutes? Oh, oh yeah, actually yeah. What if I told you solve this problem? Solve the following problem, okay? Solve this problem. Okay. I'm going to say 4 plus 2x. What does it equal? Well, at the moment, you can't do this. Why? Because you don't know the value.
We don't know the value of the x.
Awesome. Awesome, bro. Well done, my man. Good stuff. But what if I told you x equals to... I'm going to give you something difficult, actually. I'm going to give you x equals to 9. So now work it out. I want to see your working out. And then I'll show you how a mathematician works this out.
Okay, so we already know 4. 4, so we already know 4 2 is not 6.
Write it down, bro. Write it down. Write it down. So, explain what's happening here. You're doing 4 plus
2.
2.
Which is 6.
Hold on, how is it 6?
Oh, I'm not using the X yet.
Oh, you're not using the X yet?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of BIDMAS?
No.
BODMAS?
What's a bottom mouse?
Okay, so here's another. We've stumbled into another problem that I didn't foresee, but in mathematics, I'm just going to tell you something now, and then we'll do this later. One thing I am going to tell you is that you do the multiplication first.
Oh.
What does that mean? Meaning first you work out what 2x is, then you plus it to the 4. Do you get it? Do you understand what I'm saying? Because right now what you're doing, you're trying to plus 4 with this, right?
Yep.
You're doing 4 plus 2, then what? You're going to times it by x?
I'm gonna add X to the answer that I got.
Oh, with the... Okay. Well, that's wrong. Because, look, this is 4 plus... What does this mean?
2x. 2 times X.
2 times x. So you got 4 plus 2 times x. And what does this x mean?
9.
9. So you got 4 plus 2 times 9. And I'm going to tell you, in maths, we do the multiplication first all the time. Later I'll show you, I'll go into this more. But in maths, we always do the multiplication first. So have another go.
I wanna...
You got this. This is a bit of a difficult... Because we've only been doing this for what? For 15 minutes, I'm already giving you like GCSE styled questions.
Yeah.
Well, GCSE dummy styled questions. I mean, it's not that hard, but...
For year 4, yeah, okay.
Yeah, for a year 4, it's quite difficult. But have another go. Just try.
We know that 2x, x is 9.
Yeah. So this means 2
So-
times x. Yeah.
Yeah, so nearly everybody knows 2 times 9, which is 18.
So that's 18.
So then, I'll add the answer of 2 times x, which is 18, to 4. Then I'll get the answer.
Which is?
22.
Awesome, my bro. So what you done a proper cool thing, because after I told you about BIDMAS and you don't know what BIDMAS is, so you went, so I'm going to work on a new line here. I'm going to say 4 plus, and you went 2 times 9 equals, and then you went 4 plus, well 2 times 9 is 18, because you know why. Why do I do this part first? Because in maths we always?
Do the multiplication first.
First, awesome. So then you got 4 plus 18, which is 22.
22.
Before I know what you tried to do, you done 4 plus 2, which is 6, and then what, you was gonna multiply it by x?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. Awesome, that's our first lesson.
Oh.
I think that went quite well. I'll give you another one, just to be on the safe side. So, solve this problem. I'm gonna give you 3x plus 5. Can we do this? Can we solve this problem at the moment?
No, because we don't know what x is.
And now I'm going to tell you x equals to?
Whatever. 9 or 8, 7.
I'm going to say 5. So solve this problem. And if you get this right, then we can end the lesson here. And I will be confident that you understand when a number is being multiplied.
I know the answer.
What's the answer?
20.
Awesome, my bro. Awesome. Give me some. It's good shit, good shit.
Yeah.
Sorry, I wasn't supposed to swear.
One more.
You want one more? Shit.
The hard one. Give me the hard one.
You want a hard one? Okay, fine. I'll give you a proper hard one.
But not over 12.
Okay, don't worry. 5x plus 4y.
Okay.
And I'm going to tell you x equals to 2 and y equals to 3.
Okay.
If you do this, legit, I'll be so impressed with you. This is actually, I'm not joking, this is kind of hard.
Oh, 22.
How? Okay, so 5x will give me?
10.
10, okay. And that's getting plussed with?
4 times y.
Which is?
The 12.
And that gives you?
22.
My G. Good stuff, good stuff. Now, guys, this
I think I want 2 more.
You can have 2 more. We'll do it later. We'll give you some homework.
Oh.
Any child can do this. You just have to break down maths. Maths is a very easy subject, but people make it very hard. He's a year 4 kid, and this is easily year 8 or year 7 stuff. Thank you very much for watching, Yusuf. Sorry, Lolak. We have changed his name to Lolak.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys in the next video.